I, Enzo the Baker, made these very cute and appealing Jello shots for 4th of July. Jiggly and topped with a dollop of whipped cream, this is the best way to celebrate 4th of July. First thing we're going to do is prep Jello according to the instructions on the box. We will be using berry blue Jello and cherry Jello. Boil 2 cups of water. I've already boiled it and measured it. I'm going to add it to a glass bowl. And now when your water is hot, you're going to add your Jello packet. And we're going to mix it up. You want it to dissolve completely, so now I'm going to add my 2 cups of cold water. And I'm just going to continue to mix for a second. And then to make your life even more complicating and confusing, with a ladle, take your mix that you just made and add it into a pourable measuring cup. And then take that measuring cup and add it into the shot glass for better presentation. And only fill it up halfway, because the other half is going to be for the blue Jello, because we're going to have the colors of the flag. And then put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Here I just have a sped up take of me making the blue Jello. Oh, I have more. All right, and the last thing you want to do after you put your blue Jello on top of your red Jello that has been chilling, while the blue Jello is chilling, you're going to whip up some whipped cream. Now this is optional, but it's for that nice topping, and then you can pipe it. But the way we're going to do that is by chilling a bowl that we're going to whip our whipped cream in, and we're going to take some whipped cream. Now, I'm not going to measure this part because I just feel like it's a bit unnecessary. You can have as much as you'd like. And again, this is optional. So if you want to do this for like an amazing kind of party, but you can also just do it for yourself too. But I have a big whisk right here, and I am going to whisk up this whipped cream. All right, guys, we are done with our Jello shots. Now let's see how these taste. Oh my god, best way to celebrate 4th of July. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up, and sorry for the late upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.